Hey.
You're golden.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thanks, man.
Hey, what's up? This is Cam with Survival Bros. I am walking on the trail with you and leaving Cougar Hot Spring, also known as Terwilliger in Oregon. It's finally open after being closed for almost a year. Look at all this fire damage. I can't believe it. So that's what happens when you're being careless. And all of these trees came down or were cut down. But we're rebuilding. The spirit of Cougar's alive and well. And I hope you come out and check out the hot springs. Soak up that lithium with me. Yeah, this hot spring has the second most lithium out of every spring in America. So it's real beneficial to get rid of your pain. And they even treat schizophrenia and bipolar with lithium. So fun fact. But we hope to see you here. It's clothing optional, so maybe we'll see a lot of you. Share this video. Take care. Peace.